boy, well, if you're a meat lover, listen up. Eating all that bacon and ham could actually be deadly.
That's according to a new study by the World Health Organization that says processed meats can cause cancer. Leah Linshai joins us in the news center. And Leah, we know what a meat-loving state Wisconsin is. How's this going over?
Erica, Michelle, brats are definitely a Wisconsin staple here, and people might not be surprised by this news, but I think they definitely want to learn more. But at least one surprising part about this report is that it puts processed meat in the same category as smoking. So does that mean that eating brats and hot dogs is as deadly as that packet of cigarettes? Not quite.
Processing some ground beef, cutting some steaks.
During Steve Kalscher's 35-year career in meat, he's seen his share of steak cuts and studies.
Well, you should drink coffee, you shouldn't drink coffee, you should eat meat, you shouldn't eat meat. You know, they just got through the Atkins diet phase.
So when a new report was released this week, Steve's first response was
another survey that they didn't quite have all the information right.
This is stuff that we've known about for a while.
But doctors say this study doesn't really differ from previous reports.
There is a correlation between red meat and processed meat and cancer risk, and that relationship is real. I think the risk can be overstated.
Arguably the most alarming is the classification of processed meat as a Category 1 carcinogen. That's the same category as cigarettes. But bacon and a smoke break are not one and the same.
The relative risk of cancer in folks who eat meat is about a 20% increase, as opposed to a 5 or 10-fold increase in cancer risk with smoking. Is eating a steak going to immediately cause cancer? Absolutely not.
Instead, the takeaway here has been tested before.
A healthy, balanced diet of fruits and vegetables and regular exercise is the best thing you can do for your health.
I think if you eat a 22-ounce T-bone steak, you know, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day, yeah, that's probably too much meat.
A hypothesis for healthy living Steve can get behind, too.
I think everything in moderation, you're fine.
Now, if you're wondering why processed meats and cigarettes are in the same category if they're so vastly different, doctors say those carcinogen categories are actually used to describe the quality of evidence in each study, not necessarily that all those things are equally harmful to your health.
All right, Leah in our news center tonight. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.